Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at your parts preview that can be found under your parts and sheets panel. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the tutorial here. So now just a quick info or how can I say this, what the tutorial is going to be about, at least this mini series. It's going to be about this section here on the left. This is our parts and sheets preview or panel. And yeah, we're going to break it into a few different videos just so we can cover everything more thoroughly. But in any case, today we're going to be looking at your parts preview section. And yeah, what do we have available? So if you guys had to look here at the bottom, you'll see we've got two parts available. So I'm just going to swap between them so we can see the difference. So if I click here on the first one, the part 13, we can see here we've got a nice little preview of what the shape looks like and that we going to import. And then we also have a few different details on top. So we've got the size here, so we can see it's 200 by 200 millimeters, and then we also have how many has been imported. So you can see I've made it that we can import 10, and 5 of them has already been imported. So if I had to, let's say, remove one, then we can see if I go to the part, now it says 4 out of 10. So now there's only 4 imported out of the 10 that's available. And yeah, if we had to click here on another shape, we can see now it's a new preview, new color, new sizes. And with this one, we can now see that it says 0 is imported out of 5. So this is a good place to have a quick overview of what's happening with your shapes and that, and also to preview them, what they look like. So these colors also will change depending on how many shapes you've got. So every time you add a new shape, it will get its own unique color, just so you can easily on your sheet distinguish the difference between the different shapes. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the preview section. It's a very handy little area, especially if you want to quickly see what's your size, like I said, and then also how many of them's in. So if you did not add all the parts, this is a place to see where to make sure you've got all your parts in, so with a final cut, yeah, you don't run into any problems. Yeah, otherwise, before we head to the next, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Until next one, cheers.